The happiest I've been all day. Oh, there we go. Isn't that the cutest? You like Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new rainy, wet, soppy day here today, which completely threw off my day because I had planned to go out today, but that's not happening. Anyway, you guys, happy Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day today. I'm not wearing no red, I'm wearing blue. For no apparent reason. I was looking for something red to put on this morning, but I realized that I don't have any in-house red long sleeves, so I'm like, okay, screw it, I'm just gonna throw whatever I have on. I'm not going out. If I was going out on the street, then I would definitely be in red and white, but anyway, I love to celebrate these little things. Today's Valentine's Day and it's raining all day, so I'm not gonna get to go out on the road. Babe and I decided that we don't want to go out, but we're going to order in. So babe is picking up dinner on his way home from work. Today we decided that we want Chinese. You guys know that we love Chinese. It's either one or two things that we like to order in. We like to order in Chinese or we like to order in sushi. So we decided to go with Chinese. So we're gonna have Chinese for dinner with the kids. And today is also day 10. I'm just throwing you guys so many information at the same time. Today is day 10 of our green smoothie cleanse. We've made it. We made it by the lash. By one little lash. We barely made it. But we're here. Arrived at day 10. Day 10. What is day 10 smoothie? I don't have the book, but let's see if I can remember what's in here. Day 10 smoothie is kale. 1 handful of kale, 1 handful of spinach, and mango, pineapple, and flaxseed, and water. Yeah, that's what's in day 10. So that's day 10, and of course, because we're doing the modified, since day 6 we haven't been doing three smoothies, we've been doing 2. So I had my breakfast this morning and now I'm gonna have my lunch in a bit, and then we're gonna have something heavy for dinner, which is Valentine's Day, so it's perfect. We're balling today. We'll probably even have some wine later to end the Valentine's Day and stuff like that. So yeah, I have a little surprise for babe. He doesn't know. I bought a gift for babe for a while, before we even went on vacation. No, before we went to Paris, I bought the gift and it came while I was in Paris, so I have it stashed up somewhere in the room. So later is the cutest little gift, so I'll gift him that later. And yeah, you guys won't see anything much today apart from this Valentine's happenings. So that's what's going on. You guys will see the kids. I just put Sarah down for a nap. Tyler's in his room playing. So that's what we're doing today. It's raining and a bit chilly, so I'll be just lounging around today. I don't really have much work to do today, so I'm just gonna take the day and just breathe while Sarah naps, because she's been waking up like 2 times for the night these days, only for one thing. Can you guess and comment down below why Sarah wake up at least 2 times for the night and call me? She wants to pee pee. So at least 2 times she wake up about midnight, mama, baby, and then she'll wake up again like about 3 or 4 o'clock and say she wants to pee pee again. When I put her down, then she will wake up again until morning. So I've been dealing with that for the past few days. Anyway, you guys, enough of my rambling. You guys will see the boss later when he gets home. Love you guys. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now and catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And of course, you guys will see the rest of the Valentine's vlog. So let's get it, girl. So those days where when it just rains so much that you just want to stay inside, cover up under your cover and do nothing. It's literally been raining all day from last night, non-stop. I haven't opened a door from morning. From morning, what a Valentine's Day we're having, but I just feel for everything unhealthy. And nothing's gonna stop me from eating it. You know what I feel for? Let me tell you some of the things that I feel for. I feel for banana chips. Soldans or St. Mary's, I'll take it. I feel for Tigers. Yeah. I feel for Prestige Donut. And I feel for some hot cheese patty. What does that tell you? That Mel is homesick. I am missing home so bad. I just want all of those things. Look at my kids. And they're in the same mood Mama is in. Eating. What are you eating?
We are eating all healthy all day.
Say hello to the faves. You haven't said hello all day. What you normally say to faves?
Wagwan.
Take your foot down. Sarah. Sarah. Look. Say hello, faves. They're eating Monster Munch. Anyway, we are here waiting on Papa to come home with dinner so Papa can come and join the unhealthy festivities. Because it's Valentine's Day, we're just doing us right now. We ain't fussy because we celebrate love around here every single day. Okay? Okay? This one, I'm going to open Tigers. Not Tigers. You see, I want Tigers so bad that I'm saying Tigers. Bigfoot. The Bigfoot say, don't open me, Mel. Don't open me. That's why I don't want to open. Yes, Tyler?
It's that I want to do a Valentine's Day card for Papa, but I don't know what to put in it.
Draw a heart, color it in red, and say Happy Valentine's Day, Papa. See, I'm bunny day. What are you two doing? What are you eating? What are you eating? What is that? What is that? Popcorn? Say popcorn. What are you doing?
I'm on a scooter trying to kill 2 stormtroopers and one that is trying to kill me behind me.
You watch too much Star Wars?
It's just a part of episode 6.
Alright.
Pew, pew, pew. And you know on which planet I am?
Which planet?
I'm on a planet named Andor.
Alright, enjoy Andor for me and you. Sarah, come. Where's Papa?
Bonjour, Papa. Oui. J'en Papa. Je mets sur la table.
Okay.
Mama, Papa have a surprise.
Papa have a surprise.
Yes, for you.
Oh, look at you. Oh, he needs to know that he needs to start buying 2 because he don't have just 1 Valentine. Now we have 2. How dear Papa. What a beauty.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. That's for you. No.
The balance.
That's for you, Sarah. Thank you, honey.
And this
It's
is
beautiful. I love it. Oh.
You hold the heart. Yeah.
Thank you, Mama.
Wow.
Okay. If you guys know me, then you know that the only thing, if you want to make me happy, get me flowers. I love flowers. The happiest I've been all day. The happiest I've been all day.
Well, let's do the amount of food that I do. You understand? Might tell you who could have go to the restaurant.
Might as well.
Let's go out of the water.
Okay, let's feast. Let's see what babe bring for dinner.
I'm going to
Let's
try, Mama.
see. Yes. No. Get to the table. What is that?
The little gâteau.
Fortune cookie. Alright, you guys. So here goes Valentine's Day dinner. We have samosa. And then samosa is like beef, curry beef inside of it. We all love it. This is name is Chinese food. We have rice. The kids love this one and babe love this one. I love it too. This one looks like pork. This one is spicy rice, my favorite. This is noodles. This one tastes really nice. This is pork and mushroom, right babe? Pork and mushroom. Chicken? Okay, this is chicken. Pineapple chicken. This is what? Curry chicken. And rice. So you have 3 different types of chicken. And this is sauce for the...
What about?
For which one? I don't know. Oh, the samosa. And this is sauce for the name. So there goes Val dinner. Coming on to end today's vloggy vlog. Valentine, hold on. I got you something. Why is your face looking like that? Here we go, my love. My lovely love. It won't hurt you. Be kind and be nice.
Type of thing when you see, say, what is that?
Take it up. Turn it around slowly.
Nice.
Wait. I'm a surprise. Wait. You show me your hands? You don't show them hands? I don't think they can see. Put it close up.
It's a heart with the... How do you call that in English?
Date.
No, I'm talking about this sign in English. I call that. In French is the infinite. Right?
Infinity. Yes, it's the infinity sign.
There's infinite love with the departure today.
The date of when we met for the first time in person.
August 12.
Which is also your birthday.
The 12th of August 2011. My God, 20 years that. More than 20 years. 10 years.
Tell me there right now. Ah, they can't see properly when the light is on. Oh, there we go. Isn't that the cutest? You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Happy Valentine's Day, my love.
Now I'm picturing where can I put that? That's where the trouble starts.
No, you can't go on the dresser right there.
Mm-hmm.
You can stand like this. Happy you like it.
Mm-hmm. I like everything.
You're surprised?
Yeah.
Let me show you guys when it's off what it looks like. There you go. It's so cute. To our infinity. Alright, we can end the vlog now.
I'm speechless, so I'm gonna let her.
Not quite. When this happened, he wasn't expecting that at all. I've been cooking this up for a long time. For weeks I have this hide. Anyway, you guys, oh my gosh, I smell so much, my head hurt. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of our Valentine's Day vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed as much as we did. It was simple, laid back, and just what we wanted for today. So give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, give me a letter heart emoji in the comment section. Love you guys. Catch me and keep up with Fam Bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with this speechless man of mine. Why we have surprise?